What is going on, guys? FIFA Destroyer here, and basically I'm just bringing you a little short video today. I've currently hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, and well, I never thought I'd get this far, to be honest with you, but thanks to you guys' help, I've managed to reach it. I can't believe it. I think I'm on about 126 now, so sorry for this video coming out a bit too late. But I've only uploaded one video and I'm so surprised I've managed to get that much. But my quality on my channel at the minute isn't the best, as you know. No picturing, I've got nothing. Quality on the videos aren't the best, I know. But this Christmas I am getting a gaming chair. I'm going to be getting a PC, a capture card, and I need to get a mic as well. Just come off the wall and then in front of me. But yeah, I didn't want to drag this video on too long. It's just a massive thank you. It really is. I can't believe it's 100. But yeah, thanks so much for the support. It's really appreciated, and hopefully we can get some more subscribers in the future. But yeah, cheers to everyone subscribing. If you are enjoying if you are enjoyed the video I'm doing, please like it. I'm bringing more out soon. So yeah, I hope you like the future videos as well. And thanks a lot for the 100 subs. See you later, guys.